Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Unomax Lumina Retractable Ball Pen. And here I'm taking this out from this box, and in the transparent view itself you can find the inner pen's color view and everything. And this is a very safe box, and this is one is a black color finish and with copper trims. And in the trim set itself it is given the brand's name Unomax was engraved, and here this is a smooth finish, and here this is a decent glossy finish, and this is a so smooth click. And to see the feeder refill, you can unscrew this portion, and there is a spring inside this one, which is most important in the retractable ball pen, so maintain this. And here this is one of the jotter type one, and this is Unomax UM5000 more refill. For this pair you can check our site, and again you can screw this, and you can engrave your names on this pen. As this is a metal one, you can engrave your name or logos in this, and you can also engrave the person's name and present to them. And this is a sharp lead sharp tip, and yeah, I'm going to give the writing sample. Wow, extremely smooth one, exactly a butter flow. This is so easy to get this refill spare, so you can maintain this for a long time. You can change the refill once it dries, and you can refill it again and again, and you can use this for a long time. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video.